Hello guys, welcome to Ramta Solutions. How do we factorize 14a squared plus a minus 4? Like we said in the previous videos, we are going to find the product of 14 and 4. Remember, we're going to ignore the sign of that we're going to ignore their signs. So we're going to say first and first, product of 14 and 4, meaning 14 times 4. 14 times 4, what is it? 14 times 4 is 56. All right? 14 times 4 is 56. All right? Now, let's now look for the factors of 56. Of course, beginning with 14, the product of the factors of 56, we're going to begin with 14 times 4. Now, pay attention here. This 4 is negative. And this means the middle, since this 4 is negative, what it means is that the bigger factor will take the sign of the middle term. What is the sign of the middle term? It is positive. So this means we will have a combination 14 minus 4, which is 10. All right, 14 minus 4 is 10. So this is not working. The middle term, the combination here should be 1. Okay, so let's proceed. Now we're going down because we want this thing to be 1. So we're going down. Can we try 10? No, 10 will not work. Can we try 9? 9 will not work. Can we try, let's see, 56 divided by 9? It will not work. So we're going to try 8. So we're going to say 8 times 7. All right, we're going to try 8 times 7. So when you look at 8 times 7, we said since this value here is negative, it means the middle term, since this value is negative, it means the bigger factor must take the sign of the middle term, which is positive. The bigger factor here is 8. So we will say 8 minus 7. What is it? It's 1. So we are good to go. Now, factorizing this, we will say this is, 14a squared. It doesn't matter where you place them, whether you say 7 comes before 8 or vice versa, it doesn't matter. But however, let me write it in this way: 14a squared plus 8a minus 7a minus 4. All right, so as you can see, 8a minus 7a will give you 1a, or simply a. So these factors were correct. Now further, we will group these. So I will say this is 14a squared plus 8a. And here, when I group this, I see a negative. So I will say, take out the negative as a common factor. We have 7a plus 4. All right, we have 7a plus 4. So as you can see now, if you multiply everything out, the negative times 7a, it will be negative 7a. Negative times positive 4, it will be negative 4. So we are okay. Now let's see. As we factorize here, the highest common factor, 14a squared and 8a. The highest common factor seems to be 8. Sorry, it seems to be 2. Yeah, 2. That's the only number. So it seems like it is 2 and a. So this is 2a. Okay, so common factor is 2a. Now 14a squared divided by 2a. Maybe let me show you this. 14a squared divided by 2a. This will be a cancels 1a. Okay, you're left with a. And then 14 divided by 2 is 7. All right. So this will be 7a. Now 8a divided by 2a, it'll be positive 4. Minus here, there is no factorization that we can do. So we can stop it here. Okay, we can leave it as it is. Now, as you can see, there is a common factor here. The common factor is 7a plus 4, right? There is a common factor, 7a plus 4, the one that's inside the bracket. So I'm going to take it as it is. It is open the bracket, 7a plus 4, close bracket. And then what are you left with here? You're left with 2a minus, what is this? This is 1. So it is 2a minus 1. And this is how you factorize this expression here. Okay, this is how you factorize this expression here. All right, so this is it, guys. See you next time, and bye-bye.